Okay, so last year was our first year that we got a camper. We had been a camping family before that, so we were camping in tents. It was just a good, fun activity for us to do in the summer with the kids. So we live in town, and we have a pretty big backyard, but still with three little kids, we wanted to kind of give them the outdoor adventure. So my husband convinced me that we should get a camper. So when we went to go look at campers, we just had a small truck. And originally we were looking at a camper even smaller than this to fit our entire family. So we have three little ones that are with us full time. And then we have two teenagers that are with us in the summertime. And we try and fit them all into this camper. So camping, I see as 14 is a teenager. So camping has been a really fun thing for us, but we're super crowded in this camper. So what we want to talk to you about today is just the reasons why you need to really research when you get a camper before you buy it.
So, as my wife was saying, we are first time RV buyers, and we did go to Camping World, which is, I think they're kind of notorious for selling to first time RV buyers, and they just try to get you in a camper that probably is not going to suit your needs. So I encourage you to do research.
And a camper that is too big for your vehicle.
And a camper that's too big for your vehicle. So we bought this Forest River Shamrock Flagstaff.
But it's too boring.
It's 21 DK. It's 21 feet. And I guess this is a hybrid. So let me take you in and I'll show you a couple of the features.
Here's the bathroom. Here is the bed.
Hey Trey, stop.
So you walk in, and to your left is this falls down and goes into it falls down. This goes into a bed.
So what we found with this is in the summertime, because it is a pop out, and they say that it's not going to get really hot in your camper. It gets very, very hot in your camper with this pop out.
Even with a camper this small, with the AC, it still gets hot in Kansas. So here we have the bathroom. You better just make sure you're just one person, because you can't fit two people in here.
And don't drop the soap.
Don't drop the soap. Over here we have a little bit of storage. Everything's cleaned out right now because we're getting ready to trade it in. We've only had this camper in May for 1 year, and we bought the wrong camper. Thanks, Camping World. Here's the fridge. It's a Dometic. Runs on propane and electric. And I do got another video how to get your refrigerator ready before you go camping, so it's nice and cold. This folds up, and it's a dinette, but you can also put these back cushions over here for another bed.
They slide off, so they're not really a very good bed to use.
We got more storage up here. We got one little storage down here. Another one over here, a drawer. And it came with these fans. You can plug into these fans right here. You put them above your bed because it does get hot, even with the AC. So if you live in a very warm climate, do not buy the Shamrock, the ones that fold down with the beds, because it doesn't. So this is another bed, folds down. More storage here. Storage here. Got this. 3-burner stove. And then the entertainment center and the TV. So that's pretty much it. As you can see, it's really small. We do have 5 kids taking camping when we do go, and it gets pretty. You can't even walk in here. Like if somebody's cooking, you can't even like turn around, because if there's more people behind you, it's hard to maneuver around. So make sure you research before you buy a camper. Our next camper is going to be the Wildwood Forest River bunkhouse. It's a lot bigger. When we get that camper, we'll do another video.
We had gone to Camping World before deciding on that one, and they had steered us in a direction for an even bigger camper. And when we bought this camper, we realized that we could not pull this with the truck that we were using, so we actually had to buy a new truck. So just be really careful when you're going to Camping World as far as making sure that towing capacity is correct for your vehicle, and then also just making sure that you have a camper that's actually going to fit your family.